festive time is here, most of us would like to have some sweet treats. Today I'm going to show you how to make the Gulab Jamun mix, a homemade mix instead of buying from the store. So it is a pretty simple ingredients with 6 ingredients only, and we will see how to make this. This is a very quick and easy method of doing it. Add in all the dry ingredients, starting off with milk powder of 1 cup, half a cup of Maida or all-purpose flour, and also 1/8 of salt, and we have 1 teaspoon of sugar, and we have 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, homemade cardamom powder, which I will link the video below how to make the cardamom powder. If you are unsure of how to make the cardamom powder, please refer to the video. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. That's all, viewers, and with a whisk we'll keep on mixing until everything is well combined. Mix it well. That's all we have to make the Gulab Jamun mix. It is simple. It is like 1, 2, 3 go. I wish that you will try this in your home. Thank you, and see you in my next video. And before I go, for those who are new, welcome aboard. For those who have been with me, thank you very much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.